He didn't say he'd take your problems away. Here's where a lot of young people are going to get all fouled up. He doesn't promise to remove problems. He doesn't promise to remove all hang-ups. Jesus promises peace and grace and joy in the midst of them. He promises to give you a purpose for your life. You are converted to Christ. You must be converted, not to a system, not to a philosophy, not just to a church. You are converted to the person of Christ until Jesus Christ is your Savior and your Lord and your Master. Has that taken place in your life? Jesus himself said, except ye be converted and become as a little child, you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven. Have you been converted?